Hello, what's up guys? In this video we are going to see my latest created website under the guidance of Sparks Foundation, and this is going to be my first project under this internship. I have already uploaded my source code in GitHub. So let's review my source code. When you move to my repository, you will see Easy Banking app. Just click on it and you can see all the source code uploaded by me. This is my index.html file, this is my JavaScript files, this is my fonts, this is my CSS folder. Now let's review my code in VS Code. So as you can see, this is my index.html file. This is a plain HTML file in which I have created the basic structure of my website, and this is the second page, customer page. In this page I have shown all the information about the users or customers of Easy Banking app, and you can also transfer money from one user to another. And this is my basic CSS styling for this, and here is my JavaScript file. Now let's move to my live website. So this is my Easy Banking system. Let's zoom it up a bit. Here is my Easy Banking app. So this is the home page of my Easy Banking app. If you click on Easy Banking, it will reload the page and move you to the home page. As you can see, this is the easiest way to transfer money. We can transfer money in seconds. Here you can see my navigation bar. In my navigation bar, you can see home button, about button, customer button, and transfer money button. If you click on about button, you will be scrolled down to about section. In this section, you can see welcome to Easy Banks. We provide loan, accept deposit, and many more. And if we move to our footer, you can see this is copyrighted by Atul Chaurasia. And moving to our main section, if you want to see customer details, you can just click on customer details button here, or customer on navigation bar. I'm just going to click here. So you can see all the customers of our banking system, and from here you can send money. You can check customers account balance from here, and on the top you can see the user from whose ID I am logged in. And now we have admin access too. If we move to our transfer money section, we can have transfer amount option. This is an admin option. From this option we can send money from any user to any user. For trial, I am sending money from Vikas to Anjali. I have just now sent money from Vikas to Anjali of 1000 rupees. This is the first task of this internship. Thank you very much for watching my video.